Hey guys, welcome back to Cryptoria. Today I'm going to be covering the Bella protocol, but before I do, I'd appreciate if you like, subscribe and turn on bell notifications so you know when I upload. And with that being said, let's get into today's video. So guys, what is Bella? So Bella protocol brings DeFi and crypto to everyone. Bella provides DeFi products to take your familiar mobile banking into crypto with just one click. So the protocol was built by the ARPA team. To learn more about this, please go ahead and check out the video done on ARPA. It's a blockchain-based layer 2 solution for privacy preserving computation. The Bell token is an essential component of the Bella protocol ecosystem and serves as both a reward token that allows holders to participate in the governance of the platform. So Bell can be used to farm fee rewards from the network, get exclusive discounts on Bella protocol products, and for earning staking rewards. I will be covering more about this in depth. That's just a quick overview for you guys. So I am just on CoinMarketCap at the moment. As you can see here guys, they are currently in the top 400 at 356. Go ahead and check out their website as well. I will be going over this. As you can see here guys, the contract is on the Ethereum network. So look at the price at the moment. You can see it is just under $4.30. So it has gone up 3.31% over the last 24 hours. Current market, as you can see here guys, is very low, just under 135 million, and the circulating volume is just over 25 million. I will be going over this here at the moment guys. As you can see here guys, there is an announcement from Binance, so I will be going over that. So as you can see here guys, the chart, they did have that massive rush at the start of launch, but it did just dip, and then now it has been ranging but going up at the same time. So as you can see here guys, it has that potential to reach that just shy of $10 all-time high and continue on from there. So in terms of where you guys can buy it, so the best one being on Binance, you can trade it against USDT, BTC and BUSD and BNB. But as I said guys, if you have your other cryptos in other exchanges, go ahead and buy there as well. So for now, I'm just going to quickly go over the Binance. Guys, I've just jumped over to the Binance article. It was posted end of last year, so hopefully you might have already seen this. But what it says here, introducing Launch Pool, a secure way to farm new assets, farm Launch Pool's first project, Bella protocol. So as you can see here guys, you could go ahead and read this as well. I will be leaving the link below just so you have more of an understanding of what it is. So I'm just going to go over to how you can farm these new assets. So as you can see here guys, the ARPA asset is here. In order to do that, just click on the transfer, and what that do is you can select how much USDT, BNB or BUSD you want to transfer over, and what that does, you get a APY of 1.25. so it's still good, as in it's not great, but as in you're still getting an interest on just assets you're holding. So it is good that you look. So guys, I'm just on the website right now. I will be quickly going over this. I will be going more in depth of the application of what Bella is actually offering. So as you can see here guys, one-click crypto banking, the liquidity mining and flex savings V2 is what I'll be going over. So go ahead and check out all this information guys. I will just, as I said, I'm just quickly going over this. Make sure you do look into this. It has a lot of information in terms of what you have to gather. So you can see here guys, you can see the partners, and you can see here guys, we are in the middle of Q2/Q3 at the moment. So as you can see here, Q1's already complete with these two things here. At the moment, Bella ecosystem funding are more integrations for B tokens is sort of in the works, and Q3, as you can see here guys, NFT use cases for the launch of Bella governance. So this is it guys. I'm just on the Bella application at the moment just to show you how flex savings work. So as you can see here guys, these are all the assets that they currently have available in order to save. So I'm just going to show you how to save ARPA. So I'm just going to click on that, and then just going to jump over to here as well, where it does have an in-depth tutorial on how to do it. So make sure you just go over it in depth. So as you can see here guys, choose the asset you wish to deposit and then click on deposit. Take ARPA for example, click approve to allow the website to spend your ARPA in your connected wallet. So make sure you click on approve, and what that does is then connects over to your MetaMask wallet, as you can see here guys. So make sure you do have MetaMask wallet with Ethereum already in it. So as you can see here guys, it is on Ethereum mainnet, and it does charge you some Ethereum for transaction fee. What you then do is then click on deposit, and what that does is you put your deposit amount over here, and then you click on deposit. And then what that does is confirm the transaction on your wallet. So as you can see here, guys, it shows you the gas fee and the total amount you want to deposit. And then what happens then is then shows your bar per balance over here. And then from there, what you could do, it will just initially already start give you the interest already. And of course, if you do want to deposit, you could deposit anytime you want. As I said before, this is a flexible savings account in this cryptocurrency world. So you can literally take your money out whenever you want. So it's not in a locked farm. So you can see here, guys, how to withdraw. You just click on the withdraw over here, and then what that does is you just put the amount you want to withdraw. You then confirm the transaction, and then what that does, it goes straight back into your MetaMask. So I've just jumped over to the farm section where you could farm for APY as well. So as you can see here, guys, there's a couple of ones that you could actually farm. So just going to jump over to the tutorial again. So in order to farm, what you're actually getting is Bell tokens. So as you guys can see here, stake BUSD for Bell rewards. So just jumping over here, as you can see here, guys, click on farm and choose the asset you want to stake. Take USD for example. So over here, you click on select. What you do is then click on approve, and then what that does, again, it will confirm on your MetaMask wallet. You then click on the plus to stake. So once you are staking per day, per week, per month, and so on. So what you do here, guys, as you can see here, guys, input intended amount, select Bell vesting days and APY boost, and click deposit. You do this in order to get the most out of it, so you get the most returns. And then once you do that, you confirm the transaction in your wallet. The BUSD staked is now shown. So as you see, this is the amount that you're staking. So you can stake this, as I said, for a day, a week, a month, and so on. And then you get your returns. So that is what this is, guys. So as I said, guys, with this, you'll be earning Bell earn as well. So you can see here, guys, click on Bell earn and Bell collectible to claim or collect rewards. Regardless of vesting, your principal B token can be unstaked instantly. So go ahead and check this out as well, guys. There's a lot of opportunity here to make good returns as well. So make sure you go check out the tutorial as well. I will be leaving a link below. And as I said, guys, you could withdraw as well. With these, you could withdraw as soon as you want. So to withdraw, click on unstake. So you're not staking anymore, but you will still return. You still have the returns that you already made, and then you click on the input that you intend to withdraw, and then you can see here. So, and then what you do, you confirm the transaction in your wallet, and now this will return back to zero, and it will be in your wallet. So go ahead and check this out as well, guys. So guys, I've just jumped over to the Bella liquidity pool just to give you a quick breakdown of what it is. I'm not going to go over the full tutorial as it is quite long. So if you do have any issues with it, once you're doing this, just give me a comment below and I'll get back to you guys just if you need help. So as you can see here, guys, you could put the pool with it, the Bell USDT, Bell Ethereum, and RPUSDT. Just to give an example as well, guys, if the price of Ethereum goes up, your Bell reward token goes up as well, just to give you a hint as well. So yeah, so if you go into this, guys, I will show you the medium.com. So as you can see here, guys, it says what is reward multiplier and what does it do. Reward multiplier will boost your Bell reward by 2x at most, allowing users to significant bonuses. So for example, guys, if you have 1,000 Bell rewards, you will get 2x at most, so you get 2,000 back. So you can just think about the reward and what you're getting for your staking. So you see here, guys, it says here as well, it will increase by 0.0167x every day. So it might sound like not enough, but if you guys think about it, if you're just leaving money in there, especially for the long run, this will all add up. So this is quite good. After claim or withdraw plus claim, the reward multiplier will go back to 1x. If more tokens are being staked before claiming, the reward multiplier might reduce a little due to stake proportion by being smaller. So guys, make sure you check this out as well. Check out how all this works. Liquidity is quite important. In terms of liquidity pool is quite cool as well, in terms of how much returns you get on as well, especially for money you're just leaving in there and cryptocurrency just leaving in there, you are getting quite a lot back. So also, guys, just make sure your contract is exactly the same as what is listed on CoinMarketCap as well, just to make sure you guys know which one you're getting. So guys, make sure you check this out as well. So guys, I've just jumped over to the Twitter page right now just to show you some upcoming news and events that they're actually doing right now. So as you can see here, guys, they've pinned a tweet at the moment, Bella Farm round 2 week 5. So they are giving out these weekly rewards. So as you can see here, weekly reward 42,500 Bell tokens. So as you can see here, guys, they are very getting involved in getting, a lot of holders involved with a lot of these competitions and these savings. So as you can see here, guys, they're giving out rewards in terms of if you hold a certain amount of Bella tokens, you are able to get rewards. And you can see here, guys, they're doing amazing. So you can go ahead and check out their Twitter as well, guys. They got a lot of all these stuff that's happening in terms of giving away rewards. And once you hold these in the flex saving or farms or liquidity pools, it's great that you're going to earn more money on top. So yeah, guys, have a thought and let me know what you think. Just jumped over to the monthly time frame chart just to show you a little quick breakdown of what I think the price prediction will go towards. So as you can see here, guys, it did have that initial peak all the way up to $19. So hopefully no one bought at the top and got burned, because as you can see, guys, if stuff like this happens, just make sure you don't buy at the top, because especially when there's no previous data, you don't know what is going to happen. Fair enough, it might actually go to 100 or whatever you expect, but you don't know. So just please don't buy at the top and get burnt. So I'm assuming a lot of people did buy here, either holding or just got burned in terms of they lost a lot of money. But just be aware of that, guys. So as you can see here, guys, it dipped down to all-time low around 60 cents. It has now broken its level of resistance, creating a support here and a resistance. So I do believe if this support is broken, it might dip down to around $2 to $3. If not broken this resistance, going up towards $7, $8, $9, $10, hopefully creating like a little resistance and support level, and then going back all towards that all-time high. So guys, make sure you look into this project and let me know what you guys think. I think especially with it being linked with the ARPA, it's an amazing project. So let me know what you guys think below, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's video.